Hey guys, sixth grade families and students. I wanted to just show a video. This is the link that's going to be linked below in the s'more. This is actually, I'll close that. This is actually the practice portal that I showed in class. So I clicked on language arts because we're only testing in math and English in sixth grade. So any of these white boxes are short little videos, right? 20 seconds, 55 seconds on how to answer. So creating a response. In sixth grade, the green here, that is the type of response we will be asked to provide on the test. So we're going to get one of each of these. Okay. Well, not quite like that. Like you're going to have an open-ended prompt. You're going to have a drag and drop and a drop down and a multiple select. But text highlighting, that's going to, we're going to highlight the word in the answer. So these are really helpful videos if you're nervous about the types of questions you will see on the MAP test next week. In class on Wednesday and Thursday, we also watched that testing basics video. And so hopefully that's one less you have to watch if you want to watch these. So lots of helpful videos to help ease our minds for the test next week. And so I'm going to link this below. We talked about it a little bit in class, and I highly recommend, like if you're anxious about the unknown, that this is a great portal to kind of figure out what to expect on the MAP test. See you guys later.